Hey, Gleek.io fans. Today, we're diving into creating a user journey diagram for a food ordering app. Begin by firing up app.gleek.io in your web browser. Ensure you're logged in, then hit the New Diagram button and pick User Journey from the drop-down. Let's kick off with the discovery phase. Type / then G to create this section and discovery phase. During this phase, users get acquainted with the app and its offerings. Now, let's add a task. Understanding app, followed by 2 dots and 4 to add an emotional context. Remember, in Gleek, 0 to 2 signify negativity, 3 is neutral, and 4 to 6 indicate positivity. Moving on to linking touchpoints with the task. Start a new line, press Tab, and input the touchpoints. App description and FAQs. Keep touchpoint names concise for easy display in the user journey diagram. Next up in the discovery phase, users explore menu options, navigating food categories, and examining specific dish details. Translate this into the diagram. Create a new line at the task level and input Explore Menu, 2 dots and 5 number. The touchpoints associated here are categories and item details. Now onto the selection phase. Here, users start picking items for their order, adding them to the cart while exploring more choices. The task, Choose Items, with an emotional aspect of 6 links to touchpoints, Add to Cart, and menu navigation. The second task in this phase is Review Cart, with a number 4, that is linked to touchpoints cart summary and edit items. In the checkout phase, users finalize their purchase, providing payment details and confirming their order placement through the app. The single task here is Place Order and number 6 paired with touchpoints, payment, and confirmation. And voila! This journey encompasses app discovery, menu exploration, item selection, cart review, and seamless purchase, ensuring a hassle-free food ordering experience. Take a moment to explore Gleek, especially our new diagram types like Gantt chart, state, and user journey diagrams. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Until next time.